Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very different way of cooking eggs. I know you have been cooking eggs in your own way, but today I'm going to show you my own way. Let's go and make it happen. So now I'm going to break my eggs. Then I'm going to add a pinch of salt. And beat them. I don't want to beat them so much because I will want the white part of the egg to appear. And at this time I'm going to start my stove. Adding a little oil and let it get hot. I want it really to be hot. So I'll let it cook for a few minutes before I turn it. Remember, we didn't beat this too much so that we can get the whitish of the egg. Now I'm going to turn it. You see, this whitish comes from the egg yolk, whereby you don't need to beat the egg yolks so hard so that you can still get this. Now I'm going to cut this into small pieces. We really need to make sure that we have very small size of onion. because we will not want it to appear in our egg sauce. So I'm going to make very small pieces of onions. Now I'm going to add onions, little oil. Now I'm going to fry this onion until it becomes brown. Now, as you can see, my onions are already getting a golden brown, the one I wanted. Now I'm going to add tomato and little salt. Remember, our egg has salt, so I'm not going to put a lot of it. Now I'm going to cover and let this tomato cook very well. As you can see, the tomato is starting to cook well. We need to make tomato sauce before we add the eggs. So this is what we are trying to do. I'll let it stay for more 5 minutes before we add. So as you can see, if you like pepper, you can add a little bit of it at this stage to make it more spicy. Then I'm going to add tomato sauce. I'm going to add the eggs. I'm going to add a small so that they will mix well.
We are just doing like coating to make sure the sauce really coat the eggs. At this level, we just need to we're going to remove it and we will cook it for 2 minutes in the microwave. It's not necessary. You can also just let it cook here for a short time in a very low heat. It's also
Hello everyone, this is our final product of tomato sauce, egg tomato sauce, and I want to test on behalf. It really looks so delicious, and I hope it is going to taste also very delicious. This is real nice. Please try to cook it and tell me in the comment box how did you find this recipe. See you until next time. Stay healthy.